Good morning from Kathmandu, Nepal. Welcome to a new vlog, and we're up at 4 a.m. It's and ready almost. It's almost 4:40 a.m. So we're up on a new adventure today. So we're heading to the airport to take a very special flight, and Kumar is going to come at 4:45 to pick us up because our this special adventure flight is at 6 a.m. So yeah, let me take you through this journey and this beautiful day, and let's see what we see. We reached the airport. What's the time now? So the gate hasn't opened yet. It's 5. The gate hasn't opened yet. Our flight is at 6:15. So let's see when the gate opens. Kumar has dropped us, and he's been continuously saying that we could have easily left at 5:20 and we didn't have to rush so far at 4:45. But yeah, we always have that fear no matter what So the gate hasn't opened. Let's see when it opens. We've got our boarding passes, and here it is how it looks. I'll just show you one of them. Here it is. So they don't really write the name, destination, gate, because there's no destination. You're going to fly across the mountains. So nothing else is mentioned here. I think we can write our name later, just as a souvenir, to take it as a souvenir. So yeah, we're sitting here now, and so the flight is at 6:15. So yeah, hopefully the weather will be clear.
Okay, so
a couple of information about this flight.
There are 6 mountain flights that leave Buddha Air only.
There are other airlines as well.
3 airlines, and those two. But we are taking all our flights with Buddha, so we wanted to continue with them. So there are 6 which go, so there are enough seats, and everyone has a window seat.
So you don't have to worry.
The 2 tickets that we have, one is a 4A,
and then there's a 3D.
and there's a 3D.
So that's our window seat. So no need to worry about whether you'll be able to see or not, because everyone gets a window seat. So this is the first flight of the day. Other flights.
There are some domestic flights which people do cover. I think there's a Pokhara.
No, other mountain flights, or is it just this time?
All were this time. Yeah,
so it's basically this time because the sun will rise, and basically it'll be a beautiful and even the weather will be clearer early in the morning. It wouldn't be foggy. So
there's a light from the rising sun.
Yeah, so which will hit the mountains. So that is what they want us to see, and hopefully the weather is clear and we get to see what we want to see. So our flight is at 6:15. The gates do not open before 5:15. So it's better to come early because you can get the front seats of the plane. So if you want it, and then basically 5:15 the gate opens, just 1 hour before, and so currently we're sitting in the boarding area. It's the same boarding area where we sat for our Pokhara flight. So it was so crowded then, but it's quite empty now.
So there are these buses which are already waiting.
Yeah, so there are 5 or 6 flights leaving just from Buddha Air. So you can see the buses there, already standing to take us to the flight. Other than that, there's nothing much to eat here. Like the shops are closed. So, and anyway, it's early in the morning. So yeah. So probably you'll have to go back to your hotel and grab breakfast, or if it's not included, then you have to do it after the flight. So yeah, that's a little bit about this mountain flight. I've boarded the flight and this is my seat. It's still dark out and it's foggy, a bit foggy. So let's see what waves we get. We've just been given the route map. So here it is how it looks. This one, and then if you open it, Certificate for doing the mountain flight. So yeah, we did see the spectacular view of Mount Everest
On the 31st of
on
December.
the 31st of
2023.
December. So the last day of the year has been really special for us. So yeah, and with that, our 2023 season comes to an end.